Santa Claus, also known as Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas, Saint Nick, Kris Kringle, or simply Santa, is a legendary character originating in Western Christian culture who is said to make lists of children throughout the world, categorizing them according to their behavior and bringing gifts on Christmas Eve of toys and candy to well-behaved children and cold to naughty children. He is said to accomplish this with the aid of Christmas elves who make the toys in his workshop at the North Pole and flying reindeer who pull his sleigh through the air. The modern character of Santa Claus was based on traditions surrounding the historical Saint Nicholas, a 4th century Greek bishop and gift giver of Myra. Santa Claus is generally depicted as a portly, jolly, white-bearded man, often with spectacles, wearing a red coat with white fur collar and cuffs, white fur-cuffed red trousers, red hat with white fur and black leather belt and boots, carrying a bag full of gifts for children. He is commonly portrayed as laughing in a way that sounds like ho ho ho. This image became popular in the United States and Canada in the 19th century due to the significant influence of the 1823 poem, A Visit from Saint Nicholas. A political cartoonist, Thomas Nast, also played a role in the creation of Santa's image. This image has been maintained and reinforced through song, radio, television, children's book, films, and advertising.